Question number 1 is by Cynthia. Cynthia is asking, should I put my less expensive items towards the top of my website, or should I move them in amongst the higher priced items? This is a very good question, so let's look into this question. The psychology of price presentation is that customers compare your second price to the first price you present to them. For example, if you have 3 products in your store, the first product is $150, the second one is $50, and the third product is $10. If you present the $10 product first, your client may think this product is good priced, or she may think this product is too expensive. So you have 50-50% of chance, right? If you present your $50 product after you've presented your $10 product, your client will 100% think your second product is too expensive, because she will be comparing your second product with your first presented one, which is $10. And after that, if you present your $150 product, she will think, oh, this is completely ridiculously expensive. This is why it makes sense to present your most expensive products first. How does it work? If you present your $150 product first, the client may think it is too expensive or not, but at the moment that you present a $50 product to her as a second one, she will perceive the second product as cheap, so as price effective, and she will be interested in taking the second product. And once you present the $10 product after the $50 product, the client will perceive this product as a steal. It's no-brainer for her to purchase it. This is why I always recommend to present your most expensive solution, service, product first, then the second priced one, and then the cheapest one. If you are not in the Fashion Business Mastermind yet and you are watching this video and you absolutely need help with your fashion business, click the link in the bio or in the description of this video and grab your 14 days free trial today. In these 14 days, you will do more for your fashion business than you have done in the past 3 years. This is a fact.